said, it's something that that we already pre-made. Right. So the first thing, the infusion. The infusion was Pandan implantation 3 stars, which is, the good thing with Pandan is the heat. So you can leave it in a bottle for a few days. We prefer cooking soup, so the heat of the Pandan will get that flavors of rice. That's pretty amazing. So it's a gimlet style, and gimlet is like 2 ounces. We do 2 part, 1 part. So we have the Pandan here, and then so you can see.
Do you grow your own Pandan in your apartment?
Yeah, I wish. We actually did. We put a few on the first location in front of the bar. They stayed for the summer.
Okay. I see you retiring to a Pandan plantation at some point in the future.
Yeah, I probably will. Actually, I'm working on something with that. And yeah. So the puree, it's again, like I explained before, like banana is not acidic at all. It has it's alkaline actually. It has an acidity, a pH of 5.5. So if you just put banana juice in your cocktail, it won't work. You need some acidity to it. And again, as I said, it was a banana mix of oxalic, tartaric, citric, and malic. So with oxalic, you don't really put it, but we put a blend of the rest. And then you have the clarified juice, but you still have the acidity. So with the pH meter, we measure to a pH of 3, because we don't put 3/4 ounce like a normal like a shaken daiquiri. We put 1 ounce of the cordial. So if you put the pH of 2.2, it's going to be too acidic. So 3 is the right number, and then we add some sugar to it to make sure that the bricks level is around 35. I didn't mention that, but like the bricks, you have a tool that measures the sugar, and the bricks is it's basically, if you 50, it's like a simple syrup, 1 part of water, 1 part of sugar. And then you stir. And I stir the drink right now. As you can see, it's pretty clear. But I just stirred the drink. You could also just blend the cordial and the rum together and eat in your freezer. You won't freeze, and it's already. But if you do that, you need to add a little bit water for dilution. So I'd say add 25% of water to that, blend everything together, leave it in your freezer, and then you can serve it like that. You don't even need to stir it. It's
nice.
All right.
Looks delicious. I do want to show you. Yeah, cheers. You know what I have here is actually this is a Nico de Soto Drifter canned cocktail, spicy margarita, that we're just releasing, which is pineapple orange chipotle and paladar tequila, which is something we'll be releasing, but kind of in the same mindset of how do you get something to last for a year plus that's shelf stable. But excited to do that with you.
Yeah, that's an amazing project. I tasted it finally 2 weeks ago when you came.
Yeah. Good thing you trusted.
Great. I'm happy. I'm still waiting for my 5 cases for my apartment.
Yeah. It just finally got to Empire, so it's time.
Awesome.
It's time.
Awesome.
Yeah. Awesome, man.
Guys. I'm gonna have to turn off the camera and at least mute myself, because we're gonna start putting the music and the bar is opening. So
perfect.
But thank you so much. I'm staying here. If you have any question, I can answer on the chat. You have my email.